Hey everyone, it's Amy. Today I have for you the Madam Glam Easter egg collection. So Madam Glam just released their Easter egg limited edition collection. And I know they're a little early, but I think they're trying to get things out ahead of time so that way, we can use them for the actual holiday. But it comes in this super cute egg-shaped box with a bow and everything on it. When I got this in the mail, I didn't know this was coming. I was so surprised and so excited by it. So I want to go ahead and open it up for you guys. There are 4 polishes inside. One of them is a glitter. And so it comes in 2 pieces there. Here are the 4 colors. Well, there's 3 colors, and then let's see if it's a glitter or if it's a top coat. It's the no wipe top coat. So we have 3 colors and then a new no wipe top coat from them. So let's pull them out. Let's do some swatches of them, and we'll do some comparisons to their other Easter collections they've done. This first color is Extravaganza. Here's what Extravaganza looks like. This is a baby pink. All 3 of these are that like pastel, chalky Easter egg type colors. And then I do want to show you the bottles. They all have different images. This one has flowers on it. Next we have Magic Whispers. Here's what Magic Whispers looks like. This one has a little bit more pigment to it than the other one. Looks pretty off-white, but this is a baby blue shade. This one is Egg Mania. Here's what Egg Mania looks like. This is a pastel peach shade. This one, again, is similar to that pink where it's just that off-white. The blue definitely had more pigment to it. And then last, we have the no wipe top coat. This one is called Bunny's Freckles. Here's what Bunny's Freckles looks like. So this one it's mostly clear because again, it's a no wipe top coat, but it has shards of different colors. We have a gold, a blue, an orange. I think it's either a silver or white. And I do have to say this one is very sticky. Their no wipe top coat with like their glitters in it tend to be a little stickier, but this one seems extra sticky. I don't know why. And then with the shards, I don't know if you could see it, there are a couple that kind of poke up. So even though this is a no wipe top coat, I might still want a top coat over this again. Let me go ahead and do second coats of all of these colors and we'll come back and look at them. Okay, so here are the 4 new colors. Well, the 3 new colors and then the top coat. I did end up putting a color underneath the no wipe top coat just so that way we could see it, because I realized when I pulled my other swatches to compare, they had colors underneath. So just so we can see. Now that we have second coat on and we're looking at them all together, you can definitely see more of the pigment to them. The Extravaganza actually leans more purple than a pink. And then we have the baby blue, and then this one's still a good peach. And then you can see the sparkles. Now, I did not put that extra top coat on, but I do feel one that's poking out. So I would probably actually buff that out and then put your regular top coat on top to smooth that out. But let's do some comparisons. Let's actually start with the no wipe top coat. I have 3. This one is King of Glam, which was Easter last year, I think. This one has like actual glitter in it versus these ones are more like the shards, like the gold flake top coat. And then these two are linear. So this is luminous. And then we have fire energy. So this one definitely is new. And you don't really have to use it. It's not screaming Easter specific. Like I feel like this one definitely screams more Easter, like confetti. This one you can definitely use like all spring long into summer even. I feel like you could even do some sort of like mermaid aquatic nails with this. So I do like that it goes with the collection, but it's very versatile as well. And then for extravaganza, I did want to compare it to the new ones from Amore Tints. This one is Loyal. You can see Loyal definitely looks white next to it, and this is Lilac Lace. So actually, it's a couple shades lighter than Lilac Lace, but it definitely has that lilac. It's more purple, again, than that pink. The bottle looks pink, but once it's actually swatched, it's definitely more on the purple side. And then here are the pinks again. The only thing I have to show is the baby pink, but you could see that it definitely looks purple next to the baby pink. But besides that light lilac, I don't have another like pastel purple. So that one is new. Then for Magic Whispers, here are our blues. We have Pure Cloud, which gets kind of close actually. That's really close to Pure Cloud. This one's Guardian Angel. Guardian Angel almost looks like it has like a little purple or something to it. This is Lucky Number 9. This one is Pure. Pure is a little bit darker, a couple shades darker than Magic Whispers, but same type of tones. Here is New Moon, which looks almost white next to it. So I'd say we do have a couple similar ones. And then for Egg Mania, I pulled out the peaches, which are more in the nude. So this one is Proud Nude. This one is No Angel. This one is the King's Speech. Those two would pair nicely together. You could see how they're the same peachy tones. Here is Prime. Gets close. I don't know if you guys could see the difference. Prime has a little bit more pigment to it. And here's another one. I just don't have it swatched. Spring in Paris. I think it's gonna get close. It does. It gets very close. Spring in Paris has a little bit more pigment to it, but it gets very close. So looking back at them, we did have close ones for the blue and the peach, but the lilac and the no white top coat are good additions. So I did want to do a quick tutorial for you guys, an Easter tutorial using the limited edition Easter nails. So I have my nail stands prepped and ready to go. I will be using the blue shade, which is Magic Whispers, on 3 of the nails. And then for an accent nail, I do 1 of Extravaganza and 1 of Egg Mania. I do go ahead and do a second coat of all of these colors. And then I'm going to take that no wipe top coat, Bunny's Freckles, and I'm going to apply this on all of the blue nails. And then on the other two nails, I'm going to take my foil adhesive gel from Jelly Nails, and I'm going to apply a thin coat of this because we'll be doing some foils on these nails. So once the foil gel is cured, I do have these Easter nails, again from Jelly Nails. So I'm cutting out a bunny to put on one and an egg that says Happy Easter on the other nail. So once the foil gel is cured and you have the foil cut out, all you have to do is place the foil on the nail where you want it. I use this dual-ended tweezer from Jelly Nails to apply the foils. You just want to push it into the nail, flatten it out really nice, slowly peel up the plastic, and if anything is kind of pulling up, you put it back down, rub it in a little bit more till all of it transfers, and you have this super cute Easter design all ready to go. And then I will be doing a matte top coat on top of all of the nails, so I'll be using the Velvet Matte Top Coat from Madam Glam. And then here's the little nail tutorial that I came up with. So it's super easy. I used all 4 of these new ones. I just added some foils to them, and then I even did a matte top coat, which I feel like makes the foil glitter really pop too. You can see all of the details really nicely. Just a really easy way to put together some Easter nails. So you guys will have to let me know in the comments down below, what do you think of this collection? Are you picking up the Easter egg collection? It is super cute. I do really like it, especially if you do nails like in a salon. This would be super cute to set up like on your desk as a display as well for the season. So definitely let me know what you guys think of this collection. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy my swatching videos. Make sure to subscribe for more videos coming out very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.